Day 2 sees the start of round 2 at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell. The seeded players begin their campaigns here, and Tuesday sees some younger talents come to the fore. Dominic Thiem won the only other ATP 500 tournament to be played on clay this year in Rio, and was quickly displaying his pedigree on the red dirt as he took on Kyle Edmund, first up on pista Rafael Nadal.
Oh, what a point! What a winner from the extremities of the court from Dominic Thiem. This shot, fantastic.
Having taken the first set with relative ease, the fourth seed was once again in control of the second and looking good for a place in the last 16.
Wow, that's terrific play, isn't it? And there it is, it's long from Edmund, and Dominic Thiem, the number 4 seed, ranked 9 in the world, shows his superiority on the big points when it mattered. Thiem got the job done.
Alexander Zverev is very much the face of the ATP Next Gen, and the German met a generational clash as he took on home favourite Nicolas Almagro. After squandering a break lead in the opener, the 20-year-old needed a tie-break against the former world number 9.
Easy.
Yeah, nicely watched by Zverev.
Zverev took the set lead but immediately had his back against the wall in the second as Almagro looked to level the match.
That's good.
And level he did in a nervy decider with 2 breaks apiece. The German number 1 was doing everything in his power to prevent a third from Almagro.
Coming in, taking on the drive volley.
Hanging tough on serve meant Zverev could pile the pressure on the Spaniard in search of the win.
There it is, relief celebration for Zverev, who's been in a real battle here. 2.5 hours of real drama, and the number 8 seed progresses.
4-time finalist David Ferrer took on fellow former top 10 player Kevin Anderson for a place in the last 16. The South African, not usually known for his clay court prowess, was putting Ferrer to the sword in set 1.
Kevin Anderson with a few volleys.
Yeah.
Having marched to a set lead, Anderson quickly went about grabbing the advantage in the second as well, making the most of some fine margins.
Oh, he did get it. He did get it.
The break that ensued was all Anderson needed to move into round 3.
It's over. Anderson takes the win. Held his nerve. What composure throughout from Kevin Anderson.
7th seed Pablo Carreño Busta was looking to make it third time lucky for Spaniards on pista Rafael Nadal as he took on Andreas Seppi, and the youngest home hope in the draw was on dominant form in the opener.
Oh, he's found the gap. He was down and out in that rally and found a way to come back and get the point.
The ever nimble Carreño Busta was charging down every lost cause in the second as he closed in on the match.
Oh, well chased. Oh, and he got it done.
He's made it.
Oh, everything's going for him.
The Spanish number 4 needed just over an hour in an emphatic display.
There it is, an absolute masterclass from Pablo Carreño Busta.
Round 2 will be concluded on Wednesday as 2 of the biggest names in tennis kick off their tournament. Andy Murray and Rafael Nadal will be looking to avoid an early slip-up.